this is Carrie again. I was just going to show you this awesome app called EdPuzzle, where you can kind of amp up some of the videos that you're showing to the students. So this is what EdPuzzle looks like for those of you who haven't been to it. So let's do Teacher Start Now. And there's a tour that you can look at. Basically, you can add content to your videos to make them more interactive for students. So let's go ahead and log in as a teacher. We'll just log in with Google, Carlsbad School. Okay, so I've already made a demo class. This is the code that I will share with my students. And you can have demo content where you have different videos that you can crop and add questions to. So let's edit this one. So this one I didn't make. This is just a Khan Academy video, but you can crop it to say you just want a certain part of this section on geometric sequences, just do a certain part. Then you could put a little commentary of yourself over it. You could add a little quiz at the end, say, what did you learn, for example? Just add a little question, save that. And then let's finish. Actually, let's later. Okay, now let's assign a video to a student. For a student, they just have to download the EdPuzzle app and join a classroom. So that's where you would give your students your code. So my code is B4K3X. So the student joins my class. Oh, they see Carrie Ives as my teacher, and it's a demo class, and they look at it. So they had yet to do my assignment that I passed out. I don't have a due date on it, but you can put a due date. You can see how the students complete it, and I can see here that no students have done it so far. But if I take this, I, as the student, watch this video, which is really embarrassing, and then I can look at as I'm going through. And it interrupts to ask me my question. So, did you know I, Carrie Ives, was getting married August 2015? So you can say, yes, we obviously knew that. Submit that. And keep going. So it interrupts to ask another question. What type of device do you have? And then you can poll. But over here on the teacher side, we have some progress. So we check out our progress. Carrie Ives got this question correct. Watched 10%. It's pretty cool. So you can reset their progress or look at them. You can say, I want to rewatch a section. I can rewatch that section, and it lets, as the student, if I rewatch it, it lets the teacher know, so you can see which sections the student watched the most, and maybe that's where you would go over in your lesson if they had a lot of questions on a certain thing. So these are the different quizzes I have and what results students have. Yeah, it's pretty interesting stuff, and it's a good app for students to use and for teachers to make their quizzes and make little quizzes and make their videos more interactive for students. So it's not just sitting there, sitting back watching the video. They actually have some questions and content to discuss. And it gives them a little info there. Awesome. Well, hopefully you guys will find some sort of use to use EdPuzzle. I think it's really helpful and has some cool features.